what if India got into a war tomorrow? Do we actually have enough power to defend ourselves? Think again. Right now, everybody's talking about defense talks. There's a war in Iran, in the entire Middle East, in US, in the Israel, and suddenly everybody's bullish on defense. But before you put your money anywhere, let's just talk about a very specific segment: drones. Welcome to day 25 of 100 days of sector snippets. See, drones are everywhere right now. They're being used live in the Iranian war. They were used in the Pahalgam attack on us. Then they were used in the Operation Sindoor. Basically, every modern military runs on drones. So you'd think, okay, India must be making its own drones too, right? Wrong. I mean, yes, we do have drone companies that make the drones, but 60% of all the components that go into these made in India drones actually come from China. Motors, batteries, flight controllers, cameras, all of them. And now think about this. In 2020, when India and China had a border clash at the Galvan Valley, China started restricting what it was sending us. Now imagine if it were to completely cut off the drone components for us. Our entire fleet would be grounded. And it gets worse. In 2017, China passed a law that forces Chinese companies to hand over data to its government. So Chinese components inside our military drones, China can potentially access that data, hack it, jam it, and take control. In fact, India has already cancelled 230 crore worth of drone contracts because of this exact security risk. And in 2021, the Indian government banned import of fully assembled drones, which was a good step. But we still allow import of all the components freely. Between March 2022 and Feb 23 alone, India imported motors, sensors, batteries, cameras worth $70 million from China, which was a 53% jump from last year. The ban clearly is not working. So companies just import the parts, assemble them here and call it made in India. And our policy does not even define what made in India means for drones. I mean, there's no rule saying you need to manufacture X percentage locally. So nothing really is stopping this. But this does not mean nobody's working. There are some companies doing the real work. IdeaForge, IG Drones, Optimus, they are building more in-house, but even they import cameras and batteries from outside because India just does not manufacture drone-grade sensors at scale yet. So before you buy into any drone stock right now, here's what you actually need to ask. 1. How much of their supply chain is still dependent on China? And 2, are they really manufacturing or are they still assembling parts and calling them made in India? Companies like IdeaForge and Optimus are moving in the right direction, but most are not there yet. The war has created the buzz, it has not changed the fundamentals. So invest smart and follow markets with Aditi.